From the restaurant to global retail chains, greater strides have been made in introducing smart technology to add value to their operations. However, this does not address customer convenience. Even though self-checkout may reduce a company's overhead in employing staff, most customers may not be able to scan items as quickly as trained staff. Therefore, this technology is referred to address the ease of the operation within the company, not the customer. The same is true of the traditional manual checkouts. It not only increases labor costs, but can also lead into an inefficient checkout process, especially during the peak hour, causing a long waiting queues. Therefore, all these point to the fact that crowded checkout areas causing customers to be discouraged from shopping. Crowding in the checkout area is one of the reasons why customers give up shopping, as their attention is short and they may choose to give up if their checkout process is too complicated or time-consuming. Research shows that over 70% of the lost customers in restaurants and retailers are due to overcrowded checkout areas. In addition, approximately half of the customers who bring their purchase to the checkout will still choose to abandon them due to the long lines. This may lead to another phenomenon: customers prefer to shop online because they only need to click the payment button to have the goods delivered to their door without queuing. This may lead to the loss of the consumer in offline stores and eventually bankruptcy. Therefore, all points to the fact that the current checkout method does not solve the problem of the queue congestion. The subject of this project is an automatic checkout system for canteen-cooked food, but we believe that in the future it can also be deployed in major retail shops, supermarkets, replacing self-service machines. The idea is to make the self-service automatic. Customers simply place their food and drink purchase in an area that the system can recognize it, and the system will automatically identify and calculate the type and quantity of the items. This is an introduction to the use of our interface. When the user activates the program, the first page appears on the screen. The user can perform a live inspection by clicking on Scan Your Items. On the right-hand side, there is a Pay button and a space for object counting. The Pay button does not work as it is not used on the first page. It will start working on the next page. The second page is the detection page. The customer's food is captured by the camera in real time as the user clicks to scan and is read by our trade model. The image returned from the model contains a bounding box with the name of the object. On the right-hand side, the object count and payment amount are displayed, which is achieved by clicking on Scan Your Item again, meaning they are added to their purchase list. You can add or subtract as much food as you like until you click on it again. Users can confirm their food and amount by clicking on Pay and then go to the next page. The page also has a Cancel button with a green door images, which allows the user to leave the current purchase or start again. In addition, when the user presses the Pay button without any food being detected, the words "No food detected" appear on the page. When the user confirms this and clicks on the Pay button, this will take you to the third page. It is a payment page, and the payment amount is displayed at the bottom of this page. The user can choose to pay by cash or by card. This page also has a Cancel button, which allows the user to leave the current purchase. On the last page, "Thank you for shopping with us" is displayed. This page disappears automatically and then returns to the first page for the next customers. This is a live demo of the project. The automatic checkout system uses object detection algorithms to quickly and accurately identify and calculate the type and quantity of the item purchased, thus significantly reducing the checkout time. In addition, human intervention is reduced, thereby significantly reducing the error rate in the checkout process. Also, customer waiting time is reduced, enhancing the overall user experience and satisfaction.